Universal sound. I've been Pocahontas with cranberry glaze. I ain't got bars nor to charge the color anyways. My mind's a mile a minute, my thoughts they bark like hounds. I'm focused on my breathing and the universal sound. Think about my darling girl sleeping all alone. I pray the stars will shoot her all the way so she can know. One day that I return, I aim to lay her down. But right now I'm focused on the universal sound. Think about tobacco juice, mason jars of shine. I think about the vices I've let take me over time. I recall when I was a baby, I didn't need nothing around, just a little bitty rattler and the universal sound. I close my eyes, it was all so clear. It was alright then, it was alright here. Been up on a mountain, I've seen his wondrous grace. I sat there on a bar stool and I looked him in the face. He seemed a little haggard, but it did not slow him down. He was humming to the neon and the universal sound. I focus on my breathing and the universal sound. I'd let it take me over, from the toenails to the crown. The body that I'm in, till they put me in the ground. And I return to the chorus of the universal sound. Something like that.